Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore photos from iCloud back to your iPhone. Now, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. The first way to be able to do it is to tap on your name at the very top. Now, from here, you'll be able to see midway down is iCloud. So right here, let's tap on iCloud. If you have all of those photos and videos on the iCloud, but you wanted to download them back to your iPhone, all we need to do is tap on Photos here under Save to iCloud. And now if Sync This iPhone is turned off, essentially when it's turned off, that means all of the photos that are on your iPhone and the photos that are on iCloud are not synced up. So what you're going to do is turn it on. You can choose at the very bottom whether to optimize iPhone storage or download and keep originals. This will bring all of those photos and videos from your iCloud and bring them to your iPhone. So just turn this on. However, another option is to do it more piecemeal. If you wanted specific photos and videos from your iCloud and to bring them on your iPhone. To do this, we're going to open up a web browser and we're going to go directly to iCloud.com. Keep in mind, you will need to log into your iCloud account or your Apple ID account. It's the exact same. And now from here, we can tap on Photos. These are all of the photos and videos that are on your iPhone. Now, let's say there's some on here that you wanted to download. Let's tap on Select and we can select multiple different ones. And then tap on those three dots at the bottom right. And now we can hit download to items or however many items, and then download them directly to your iPhone from iCloud. Just tap on that download button and you're good to go. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.